Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today the topic is the YouTube productivity tool, that is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is nothing than a body of YouTube. So TubeBuddy is a browser extension that adds a layer of the tool at the top of the YouTube. When you see it, it's like an icon and you can access every features you want to use in the YouTube. So if you want to know more about it, you can follow the video. I would like to talk about the features of TubeBuddy first, and then I will show you how to install it in the second part. So if you already know and if you want to go for the installation part, you can skip this video to the last. The first I will show you the feature is that after you install this, what happens is you will automatically get this your YouTube, this small icon, and this icon will have all the shortcuts for your YouTube Studio tools. The tools like dashboard, videos, playlist, comments, analytics, real time, and your account website tools. And just beside of that, there are some popular tools and features that most of the people use, and this is really good stuff. The keyword explorer, they have the keyword explorer. When you launch it, you can actually search for the keywords that you can target in your videos or in your YouTube videos or any SEO. So for that you can search anything and it will say if it is good for targeting or not, just like that. And if you have a upgraded version, then you have a lot of other facility, a lot of other thing to do here. You can explore it on your own, and this is actually really useful. I do use it usually. I'm so sorry, I'm not good in English, but I'm trying to deliver you. The second is, they have a lot. See, you can explore it. I just want you to know the best part. And the second part is, whenever you open your YouTube, and whenever you play any videos, there is a summary SEO, social channels, views, subscription, how many videos they have, everything you can see, and like, comment, everything you can see as a shortcut for the video you are watching. You can turn it to any other video and you can still see what they are all about and what are the tags they have used in their channel. So you can actually go for, if you are researching for your SEO project or anything, you can actually research with YouTube as well. And the next is, whenever you can see, I can go dashboard from just direct from here. I don't need to go anywhere. And I have, when I go to my dashboard, what I can see is here, I have an icon here. Just came from that tool, from TubeBuddy. So this icon is actually giving me a lot of other features that I can use. And actually you can edit your template, and even when you are writing everything, the description, title, and when you are writing tag, it will suggest you the best tag and what to use, what not to use. And it is really like it feels like it is part of you. Whenever if you use it, it makes you easy and make you do anything faster in YouTube. If you are a creator, you can create your own thumbnail. Here, see, you can create your own thumbnail. This is the extra additional features given to the YouTube with the support of this application, with this tool. So we can explore it. I will show you so many other things after installation, that how you can be a partner, but you can do partnership with this TubeBuddy as well. I mean, you can be the referral for this one, and if somebody install it and buy the updated version, you will be paid for that. I will go to the installation part and you can actually explore yourself on. I'll leave this on you. So tubebuddy.com/newleaderstech will take you to my referral account. I mean, it will if you download it and use it, after many downloads I might get the upgraded version. That's why. So what you're gonna do is, for installation, there is install free now. You just click this button. After that, it will ask you to add as a Chrome extension, right? So you just need to add to Chrome and add extension, and it will download the file, CRX file. So it does not do anything. It will just download and redirect you to the page that you need to go after installation. You don't just click and we are done. You don't need to think a lot for installation. Nowadays installation is pretty easier than before. And yes, I am redirected, and it's added in my up here, the icon. You can see that, right? And after you add, when you YouTube, you have the icon, this one. But what is it that it is not yet installed, and it is red here like a bulb, like a code error, right? How do we solve this? Is we just need to sign in here. When you can sign in with any Google account, you go to this page, right? And in the page with login, and you sign in with the Gmail account, any of the Gmail account. After that, there add a channel, and you just add your YouTube account channel, and it will allow, and we are done. So you can use all the features here inside. And what else is that you have your commission as well, affiliate center. See here, affiliate center dashboard, and I have made this link. You can actually get your own this link, like new leaders tech. You can have your name, and you can share this link, and if somebody buy the upgraded version, I think, yeah, they will get the commission, 40% commission, 50% commission. Yeah, 200 people to install. If you fill up this criteria, and you will get the money. And there is the analytics, the statistics, whatever it is. Here you can see whatever you are earning or anything. So yeah, there is a lot of things you can explore, and after you log in here, it will be automatically, yeah, I logged in here. When I refresh my YouTube once more, that red part will go away. It's gone now, and you can use now. Here, see here, nice and clean, really good. It's like a good stuff. It's a good stuff. It gives some additional value to any type of YouTuber or any YouTube viewers. Yeah, the one who like you. And if you have your account and want to try out, you can try. Okay, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if I gave some value to you. If not, if I got a chance, next time I will try to ensure that I get your lead.
Kano tagir, wala chikata, wala chinapa, mama trefuri, to sofa,